Okay, this video we're going to go over getting prepared to use the software. Now, what you want to do first is you're going to have a domain and hosting provider, just like before, okay? So what you need to do is on your domain, we need to install a fresh WordPress, okay? And this is very important that you do this in the correct manner, okay? So that you can use the software to build the site. Okay, so basically we're going to log into your cPanel and you can install WordPress on your domain or your subdomain, or if you added a add-on domain, you can do that through your cPanel. Now, I use Sofulous. You can install with Quick Install. Some providers still have Fantastico, but most of you will have Quick Install or Sofulous. So we're going to go down and install a fresh WordPress. So I'm just going to go into WordPress here and click install. Now it doesn't matter if you're using quick install, the process is pretty much the same, just the interface of installing WordPress may be different. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to choose your domain, okay, and you're going to install WordPress. Now for this example, I'm going to go and install in a subdirectory. Now you can do this also, so if you want to put like your store or whatever it is. So I'm going to put in video game store. Now you want to go ahead, and it's a good idea to just leave your account information just to whatever this is. You can change it now if you want, but you want to make sure and take this information down, okay? And we're going to use it in the software, so go ahead and do that. So whatever username and password you want to use, we're going to go ahead and go back to our software, and you would want to put that in here, your username and password. Okay, so go ahead and install a fresh WordPress. You don't need to do any kind of plugins or anything like that. Now once your WordPress is installed, we're going to copy this login URL. Okay, your basic WP admin login URL, we're going to copy that. We're going to go back to our software and we're going to paste that here where it says WP admin URL. Okay, just like that. Okay, so at this point we're going to start filling in the information to create our site. So we will go ahead and put in our homepage meta description. We'll go ahead and put in our site title, our tagline, our homepage keywords, and the rest of the information. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pause the video and come right back. Now before I do that, I want to talk about the description just real quick, and the title and the tagline. Now it's important that you've already done your keyword research before you've gotten to this point, okay? So when you're doing your meta description, it's always a good idea to have your main keyword or keyword phrase in the description. You want to have it in the description and in the title if all possible. So make sure and keep that in mind when you're filling in this information. So I'm going to use console video game as one of my main keywords. Now a lot of times I will use a secondary, one of my secondary keywords in the tagline. In this case it's going to be console video games. So keep that in mind. Okay, so put the Amazon affiliate information in, your email. Now affiliate program, you want to choose that. For your niche product keyword, this is going to be your main keyword. This is going to serve as your main product category as well. So console video games would be mine in this example. Now later in the other part of the software, I'm going to add other categories such as PlayStation 4 games, Xbox, and so on. But this is going to be the main category. I'm going to choose the Amazon category. Okay, now once we have this information in, it's time to start site setup. Now you want to make sure before you click the button to go back through and make sure all of your information is correct. Okay, always double check the information before you start. When you're satisfied and ensure that every bit of the information is correct, you can click the Start Site Setup button. Okay, so we're going to click Start. Now the progress will be updated down here at the bottom. And basically at this point you can let the software just go to work for you, and you can go and do other things, work on other projects, whatever you need to do, and the software will take care of this for you, building the site for you, and it'll let you know when it's complete. Okay, you can see that it started work. Okay, you can see that it deleted the default plugins. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while Azon Builder Pro builds my site, and I will come back as soon as it's complete.